we are creating a multi-calculator application. So let's get started. Okay, let's give our application a specified name. So I'm just giving this a random name, which will be learn calculator. This is just a random name, don't mind me. And after that, so I have to choose an app icon for my application. Choose from gallery or upload from your browser. So I'm just choosing a random picture from here. And as well, I have to give this app a description. So let me just put description as calculator. So and after done, click on the next icon that shows here. Okay, let's wait. And after that, you have to choose a style for your application. So you can choose a random style. As for me, I like blue color. So click on next. So create an empty app for now. So you are coming back. So just go to your app manager and leave it there. So now let's go to this website, name ELF site. I've already talked about this website in my previous video, so you can go and watch it. So after you create an account with them, so click on this calculator icon over here. So and the link of this website is in the description, you can check it there. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, once it's done, as you can see, this is two template of this application. This is just a loan calculator, and you see it will automatically calculate a loan for a person, as you can see. So choose your template and click on the continue with template. So you can edit anything, maybe the rate of the interest, anything here. The link after a person click on the apply now, you can edit anything here to your preferred one. And for those of you that does not know how to edit, inbox me with the number in the description. I'll help you with that. So after that, so you have to choose a plan. For now, you can choose a free plan, and for those of you that have a revenue, you can choose the premium plan. So just choose the one that you preferred. So all you just have to do now is to copy this code. And this is not the only calculator we are making. There's still a calculator I will still show you. Okay, but for now, let's just deal with this one. So now click on the create section, HTML section, and after it shows this page, click on the enter directly HTML code advanced, click on next, then highlight this page content. After you highlight it, paste the code you copy and give it this a section a particular name. You can just put any name you wish. So click on save. So now we are also going for another section which will also based on calculator. So now let's go to another website. This website link is also in the description as well as the first one. So guys, let's go. This website name is Formatic. Once you get to this website, as you can see, this is the template you are using. There's so many templates of this calculator here, so choose the one that you want. Let me see how it works. So let me just choose a random number. Let me just okay, let me try it. Let's see if it's working. As you can see, it's perfectly working. So now I think I will be going with this one. So where can I find the code? Let me just okay, before that, okay, now let's look for this code. As you can see, this is the code for this calculator. You have to highlight this code and copy it. Once you copy this code, go back to your AppCreator24 and come to the section as well. You have to create a new section, and that section will be also HTML section. As we do earlier that we highlight the content page, the page content, you also do the same. So okay, highlight it, then paste the code copy, then give this section a specified name as well. So let me just use let's see, okay, click on save. Okay, now it's time for the third one. Before I show you the third website, I would like to introduce you all to a program made by AppCreator24. On this program, I will be really explain this program because this video was actually sponsored by AppCreator24. So this program is very simple. Once you join the WhatsApp group, the link is as well as in the comment section. Once you join it, there's so many program offers. So once you apply for your preferred one of the program they offer is they will help you to create your application without you even stretching yourself, and they will help you to integrate the Admob as well as the publishing it to Google Play Store. So you just have to pay a certain amount of money. So as you can see on the screen, this is the amount you pay if you want all these three program. Like this is just 50,000 naira. So in your country currency, it may be lower or higher. So that's it. Once you join their WhatsApp group, and also for their Telegram group also, you can join it. So and also there's still another program that if you only want to learn from them, you don't want them to help you to do anything, this is just 3,000 naira, and it's just $2. Yes, I guess. So and also there's still some other programs, like if you only want them to deal with your Admob and AppCreator24 only, and if you want them to deal with your Google Play Store only, if you want them to deal with your Admob only. So there's so many programs they offer, so just go to the WhatsApp link in the description and it will take you directly to their website. For those of you that don't have interest in joining their group on WhatsApp, you can also apply for this. The link in which you can apply for this program is also in the description. Once you apply for this program, it will only take you to this page that you're seeing on the screen to make your payment. You just have to fill in your information, and once the payment is confirmed by the AppCreator24, within 24 hours a mail will be sent to you on how you can reach them. Maybe they will send you their Instagram names or whatever you prefer to chat. So don't panic. Okay guys, now let's get back to our programs. So now let's go to the third website. The link is in the description as well. So on this website is just a currency converter. So now let's see how this works. Let me just put it $1. As you can see, all this country currency also change. So that's the rate of $1 in each country. So you can edit it to your preferred one. So you can add as many as country that you want. Just come to this section and add the country that you want to add. As you can see, I add Nigeria. So let me add some other country as well. As you can see, the more I click, the more it shows at the left and right side. So you can change the background color of this thing. Let me change to red. As you can see, the background color change, so you can change it to your preferred one as well. So that's it. And you can also change this text color to white. Let me just use white so it can shows properly. So okay, and choose the style for this box. As you can see, you can put it in medium or more the second one, basic. So after that, you can change this title. Maybe you want to change it to your application name. Instead of showing this currency converter, you can change it to anything you preferred. It's just your choice, so you can change it to anything you prefer. So I will leave it as it is. So you can also change this size of this thing. Just uncheck this box and drag this this something like a circle. Just drag it. As you can see, the size of the post is changing. So now after you are done editing it, just come down here, just highlight this code. As you can see, after you highlight it, copy it, and once you are done copying it, go back to your AppCreator24, create a new section, and the section as well will be HTML section as earlier. So click on the enter direct HTML code, click on next, then highlight the page content and paste the code you copy. Give this section a title. You can just use a random title if you wish. Then after you give this section a title, click on save, and once you are done with that, you are good to go. So now let's go to our application. Let's see what we just created. But before that, I would like to introduce you to this program. It's also made by AppCreator24. It's called AppCreator24 Affiliate Program. On this program, you just have to refer people to these AppCreator tutor programs. So once you refer a single person, you will receive a reward. Once a user subscribes to their programs, you'll be credited in your bank account. So guys, so now let's test our application.